Now this is obviously too thick to cook, which generally halibut are, so I like to flat split it.
So what about if I were to smoke some too, do you thin it down too?
Oh yes, definitely.
Okay. I want to smoke some and I want to cook a couple.
Okay. And what I like to do is I like to lay it flat, and I call it split the difference.
Okay.
You got it this thick, shoot for right in the center. Again, nice smooth strokes.
Yeah, looks
See
good.
how you got a nice piece of meat here?
Uh-huh.
And a nice piece of meat right there. And you've got a piece with the lateral bone still in it and the bloodline. We'll get what we can off of it and call it good.
Oh, those pieces you can probably do like fish and chips with those little pieces?
Mm-hmm, definitely.
Save those, yeah, and
throw
that away.
Throw this away. This is the bloodline and your lateral bones.
Right. I usually always try to at least get that away.
Okay.
And there's this one.
Oh. All right.
That's a mess, huh?
No. That looks pretty good. This doesn't need much cleaning, but I can feel some bones in here. So I'll slice around the bones.
These little pieces are probably okay, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Just use those for fish and chips.
Yeah.
This has got bloodline there, huh?
Mm-hmm. So we got your fish and chip pile and then the smoking pile, if you prefer.
Yes.
And then once again, I'll split the difference. Nice piece of meat.
Yeah.
And I like to look for, you'll find worms in any kind of bottom fish, and you want to spot that out. I've got a couple right here, and I just come up underneath that worm, scoop him out of there. Okay, these little pieces.
This is part of the
where the skin came off. Yep.
So is that you? Do you take that off? You don't take it off?
No, you can.
For fish and chips?
You can. It's just a tissue of the skin. It's not actually the skin. But you can take that off. Just roll it off there.
Okay.
Just like that.
There's a few little more pieces. I don't know what those look like. Looks okay.
Like a good smoker piece. Fish and chips.
And here's a nice piece.
Okay.
You can do something with.
Yes. And you got your lateral bones here.
Okay.
And your bloodline. So you kind of split the difference. Come in beside it. Slice back. Set this one aside. Come down the other side. Slice back.
Just get rid of all the bones.
Just all the bones. That's all your bones, right? And bloodline.
You don't need
everything. Everything you don't want to eat.
No.
You come back down here, trim this off. And then you got some more worms here too. Worms are all these little red spots here.
Okay.
And they're in any bottom fish.
Right.
Just because it has worms doesn't mean it's not good to eat.
Right. Good protein.
You just come in here and you just cut them out.
Okay.
And then once again, I've got a real thick piece here.
Okay.
And I'll split the difference. Just like that. Take our wormy pieces and throw them away, of course. This looks like a nice piece right here. Beautiful. And this piece is pretty clean here too. But it's very thick. For smoking and cooking.
It wouldn't smoke even.
It'll smoke, but it'll take you forever to smoke that all the way through.
Right.
And your marinades won't penetrate this very well. With it cut thinner or in two, your marinades will penetrate. You'll have better flavor. You'll have less cooking time. Just all the way around a better deal. Just like that.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. And this,
I'm looking forward to my locks lesson.
And this achieves the final.
Yes.
And the final whole deal.
And it's important to vacuum seal it. They'll last a lot longer.
Freezer long-term storage. And might add, without Doc's fishing system, none of this would be possible.